Midea Cool Book. Every page a cooler way. Worried about dirty buildup from prolonged AC use? Dirt that hurts your air quality and cooling? Midea upgraded iClean Auto Cleaning solves it. Self-cleaning completed in just 4 steps in 42 minutes. Activate iClean via remote or smart home app. CL light glows, iClean runs. Temperatures drop rapidly, frosting the evaporator surface. As the frost layer thickens, it traps dust. Melting frost washes the dirt right out of AC. Evaporator dries completely, blocking mold growth. Just 0.26 kWh per clean. Cleaner air that's pocket-friendly. Midea iClean. Reclean your AC. Refresh your breath. Every page a cooler way. Midea Cool Book.